Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is June 5th, 2025, and we're diving into Ciena's latest earnings report for the fiscal second quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Ciena, a leader in networking systems, services, and software, has just released its financial results, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Ciena reported a revenue of $1.113 billion for Q2 2025, a significant increase from $910.8 million in the same quarter last year. John, what are your thoughts on this growth?
It's impressive, especially considering the 23.6% year-over-year increase. This growth is driven by strong demand in their networking platforms, particularly in optical networking, which saw a substantial rise in revenue.
And what about profitability? The adjusted EPS came in at 42 cents, beating the forecast of 30 cents. How did they achieve this?
The adjusted EPS of 42 cents is a result of improved operational efficiencies and a strategic focus on high-margin segments. Additionally, Ciena's share repurchase program, with $84.3 million spent this quarter, has positively impacted their EPS.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about Ciena's operational performance. The adjusted gross margin was 41.0%, and the adjusted operating margin improved to 8.2%. What does this tell us?
These figures indicate that Ciena is effectively managing its costs and optimizing its operations. The improvement in operating margin, up from 6.8% last year, shows their ability to leverage operating efficiencies and scale their business.
CEO Gary Smith mentioned strong visibility and confidence in continued growth. How does this align with the current market environment?
With the accelerating demand driven by cloud and AI, Ciena is well-positioned to capitalize on the positive network infrastructure spending environment. Their strategic initiatives and market leadership provide a solid foundation for future growth.
Segment performance and geographic insights. Let's delve into the segment performance. Optical networking revenue was $773.6 million. How significant is this for Ciena?
Optical networking is a core component of Ciena's business, and this segment's strong performance underscores their leadership in high-speed connectivity solutions. It's a key driver of their overall revenue growth.
Geographically, the Americas contributed $833.8 million to the revenue. What does this tell us about their market presence?
The Americas remain a dominant market for Ciena, reflecting their strong customer base and strategic partnerships in the region. Additionally, having two major customers account for nearly 24% of revenue highlights their importance in Ciena's portfolio.
Key takeaways. In summary, Ciena has delivered a strong performance in Q2 2025 with impressive revenue growth and profitability. Their strategic focus on high-demand segments and operational efficiencies has paid off. John, any final thoughts on Ciena's investment prospects?
Ciena's robust financials and market leadership position them well for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on their strategic initiatives and market trends in networking and AI.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Ciena's performance in the comments below.